80 and mouse.
Me?
Yep, 80 and mouse.
There was a TV on his screen.
Oh yeah, and the flaps. You just need them off the board, doesn't matter. You don't get a keyboard to touch each side. That keyboard is for other things, not to drive. Oh, we're gonna land. How's it only 19 degrees? I wanna go outside. I want to go outside. It's only
the 6 pieces.
I want to go outside. It's only 20 degrees. This is a beautiful day for a walk.
It's only 20.
What? And Bangladesh is 32.
This is Bangladesh people. Oh my god, it's 21. I can't do this in a minute.
UK copying Bangladesh and Pakistan.
Okay, here we go. Well, I did.
Mommy. Mommy.
This is gonna be a whole
Did you know 37%, only 37%, only 37% of people in Pakistan get to read and write. Shut up! Shut up! Only, mommy, only 37% of people in Pakistan can read and write.
But these guys cannot fly
Yo,
better than
wow.
Ryan.
Oh, that's a good bomb air.
Ryan and I can fly better.
That's a good, no, baby air can fly better.